Hi, my name is Whitney Ziegler, and I'm the founder and owner of Big Rocks Organizing, LLC. We're based out of Portland, Oregon, and our mission is to help our clients identify their big rocks, what matters to them most. Here at Big Rocks, our core values are respect, compassion, and professionalism. By respect, we will ask permission before we ever open a cupboard or a drawer or enter a space or ask you questions about a sensitive item or sensitive topic. By respect, we mean that we do not talk down to our clients, we don't patronize, and we come from an approach of love, acceptance, kindness, and no judgment. And by compassion, I mean that we will assist in improving the quality of your life in a respectful way. We will never push you or try to trick you into letting anything go. You make all of the decisions in your own time. Our third core value is professionalism. We do what we say. We are on time. We value your privacy. We never disclose. We don't confirm or deny to any third parties our clients' identities. Some of the benefits we offer are assisting you with aligning your priorities with your life and creating the space in your life to do so. We help you unburden and free you from the weight of your stuff. We provide you with other ways to let items go rather than just throwing them away. We have a wealth of resources and connections at our fingertips because let's face it, it's not just about the stuff, and it can be really tough to confront all of the things that have accumulated over the years of our life. And we are here to assist you with that process with no judgment, with respect. We're here to give you transferable skills and tools. We're here to set up systems that work for your brain and your wiring that are unique to you and your lifestyle, your budget. And we're here to assist you with finding ways to make space for what truly matters to you.